Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. So today we were in Canajoharie, New York. Me and my buddy, we went down and we were on the Erie Canalway trail, which is, it goes right through the main drag of Canajoharie. Cool little things to see. Looks kind of very historic if you ask me, but I've actually never been here, maybe once, but we went through the main drag and there's some things to see. So if you're ever out here, definitely take a drive through, just check out the town. And I know they had the original beech nut baby food factory that was out here, but they eventually ended up relocating out to Florida, New York, which is right outside of Amsterdam. But other than that, hopefully you guys enjoy the nice little quick tour, little bike ride we took through here, and we will see you on the next video. Have a good one.
Yeah. Well, let's see if we can hit another. If not, if we go a little ways and we don't see nothing, then we come back and sit on that one. Wow, it's a nice little town.
See that too much, do you? Street light right in the middle?
No.
Keep going, just right through town?
Yeah, right through town. We'll turn. Canajoharie. Is this the plant? There it is. Wow, that's old.
Well, we can keep going or we can come back and sit here. Kind of facing the wrong way though.
Yeah.
Want to keep going a little?
Yeah, go a little bit and then see what we got.
I mean, my day is open,
Yeah, I'm pretty much open for the most part. So yeah.
We almost got 19 miles, so it's going to be a record. That old stone building.
Yeah. It's an old-fashioned town. I like that. Get a lot of that in New England, too. They make
All right, guys, so as you can see, we sat down here, had some lunch real quick, relaxed, and then we headed back. Yeah, we did a total of 37.5 miles that day on the bike, and there'll be more footage coming to you from that bike ride later on. But as far as the area goes in the town, people seem very nice. People stopped to talk to us, asked us where we're coming from. Nobody really gave us a hard time. And, like I said, if you're ever around here, definitely come check it out.